Hello guys, good morning and welcome back. Alright, so in today's video we want to learn how to make a free big trouser for men, which the ladies call palazzo. So now here is my trouser length, 42.5, extra 2 inches. I mark it to be 44.5. Now bear in mind that this trouser sewing is gotten from the regular fitted measurement. The only thing different here is that you add extra 3 inches or thereabout, depending on how you want, depending on how free you want the trouser to be. So you mark your trouser length there. So the inch was added already. Then the next to get here is your crouch. So in getting your crouch, you will still make use of your original hip to get your crouch. So my hip I have here is 46. So to get the crouch is 11.5. You mark 11.5. But bear in mind that when you are marking the hip for the width wall measurement, you have to add extra 3 inches to that, or 2.5, right? So now I'll draw the line 11.5 to go down that way to give you that fitted crouch measurement. So 11.5 is the crouch. Now you have to increase the hip, so you add extra 3 inches. 49 by 4 is 48 by 4 is 12. So I added 2 inches extra for the hip allowance, the normal 2 inches extra here, right? So I use 2 inches extra for the hip to give me that freeness I'm looking for. Then I also take the same measurements from there, 12.12 inches, and also mark on the waistline. Now bear in mind that this trouser measurement, trouser cutting, we have elastic on the waist and rope as well. So your waist measurement is not needed, right? So your waist measurement is not needed. So invariably, you are taking the hip measurement from the crack depth straight line to the hip area, and then curve here as shown. Curve here as shown this way. Now the next to do here is to get the knee point. So measure that distance, divide by 2 and come up by 3. You have it to be 11. Then also get the calf, double of it, that's 22. Then on that calf, you are going to on the ankle we have is 14. The original ankle coming by 1.5 inch there, and then mark the new ankle now. So the new ankle we had is 18. So the reason or the method I use for the ankle is I use the original knee measurement and mark on the ankle to give you that freeness, right? So you also mark the same 18 on the calf point, 18 on the calf point, and then you also now go to the knee line and come in there by 1 inch or 1/4 that way. And then from there, you mark your new knee, which I use extra 2 inches or 2.5, depending on how you want it to be. So I use 2.5, that's 21. Then mark it there, and then you connect the lines as shown. So this is just the simplest method you use to draft a two-piece free trouser or palazzo trouser for the men that will give you a perfect fitting that you have always craved for. So if you watch the video very well, you understand how the measurements were manipulated and how they are being applied. So connect the lines as shown in that form, and then use your hip curve, connect this way as well, connect this way as well in this form, then connect here as shown as well in this form. So now you also link up the hip area, the crotch area in this form, and also connect this one as well. So having done this, the next thing now is to cut. Then you have to apply your pocket position or pocket point, which is 7.5 inches deep by 2.5 inches wide or width. After that, you start cutting. Now, as you can see, we have finished cutting the front. And now the next thing to do is to cut the back. Now, cutting the back, bring um we are going to bring the back panel this way, right? The front has been cut, so we are trying to cut the back now. So we are going to bring the back panel this way and then arrange it as well the same way we arrange the front panel. Then bring the front block and place on top. Now, most of you guys will be asking me, do we need allowance on the trouser? Yes, we still need allowance on the trouser, right? In as much as we have increased the whole measurement. So we still need our regular allowance on the trouser because this is the standard pattern of trouser drafting that we are making use of. So still place it that way and then extend the back crouch by 2 inches as we normally do, or 2.5. Extend the back waist there by 1.5 or 2 and then go all through with that curve that way. And then you now raise the back by 1 inch. Now bear in mind that we did not slope the front panel. Now once you raise the back by 1 inch, now try to indicate the points and then connect the lines as shown in this sum. And then after that, you increase the lines that all through that way. Then mark your 2 inches allowance at the inner leg or inner seam in this way. Mark it that way and then connect with your freehand sketch or with your hip curve, whichever one. But I'm avoiding dropping chalks all over. So cut them as well as shown. So make sure you cut it all to this very point. So I do hope you enjoyed the video. Then the next video you'll be seeing will be on the coupling stage. And I know most of you will want to learn. But however, I have made several videos on the sewing of something similar to this, right? So do well to look for the video on my channel and then make use of it in the coupling stage. So the same coupling for the two piece I made is still the same way we are going to couple this as well. So I might likely, okay, the video coupling is of 3 or 4 lengths. So just go and search for the stripe fabric I was making, the red and blue stripe fabric I was making. So once you get the stripe fabric, watch the video, it is the same process of stitching, right? So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you guys in my next video.